How to make a new account in Mobile Legends using iOS. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make a new account in Mobile Legends using iOS. First, navigate to the Mobile Legends app on your mobile phone. Then, create a character and add your country. Next, choose the hero from the following and tap on the Create button. After that, it will take you to the game and you can start playing. Here, it will show you different tutorials and ways to win. That's how you can make a new account in Mobile Legends iOS. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.